Let's work now and try this on your own. Problem number 7a. Daphne Rakes leaves to earn extra money. She earns $5 for the first hour, so she earns $5 for the first hour, and she earns $8 an hour for each additional hour she spent raking leaves. And let x equals the number of hours spent raking leaves after the first hour. So the question here is, which expression represents the amount of money that Daphne earns for raking leaves? Okay, so let's take, for example, you have here you work for 4 hours. Okay, just to give an example. So this is 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Okay, so you work for 4 hours. So the first hour you earn $5. Okay, and you earn now $8 for each additional hour you spent raking. So the remaining hours now, for each hour, you're getting paid this one $8, this one is also $8, and this one is also $8. So how do you calculate now the amount Daphne earns? I would say this one is $5 plus this one should be $8 times 3 hours. So this one now represents, so this is the first hour, and this one represents the additional hour. Okay, so this one represents the additional hour. So if you are going to write this one in general now, so I would say this is $5 plus $8 times additional hour is represented by x. So this one represents the additional hour. So this means now that this would be the expression that represents the amount Daphne earns for raking leaves, and that would be option number 4. Okay, now for problem number 7b, Jose wants to ride his bike a total of 50 miles. So this is total of 50 miles this weekend. If he rides m miles on Saturday, which expression represents the number of miles he must ride on Sunday? Miles this weekend. Okay, so the question is this one. So let's have an illustration now. Jose wants to ride his bike a total for 50 miles this weekend. Okay, so suppose this one is weekend. So we have here Saturday and Sunday. So he needs to travel total of 50 miles. So this one is 50 miles. Okay, now if he rides m miles on Saturday, so this one is m miles. Saturday, I do not know, so this one is m miles. The question now, which expression represents the number of miles he must ride on Sunday? So what is the expression that represents this one on Sunday? So looking at this illustration here, so everything is 50 miles. So to find how many he needs to travel on Sunday, if he traveled m miles, so the remaining would be this one. Okay, so I would now say that it should be represented by, okay, everything is 50, so this one should be 50, take away m miles, so this one represents 50 minus m, so it should be option number 3. That's it.